This is a 2002 Porsche 9.
Hey, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Source Mac, back at it again with another video. And today, as y'all could see in the title, we just bought a brand new, well not brand new, but used 02 Porsche 986. You know what I'm saying? It's a 986. So we about to do a little review. You know, is it worth it in 2024, especially in the market's crashing? You know what I'm saying? Do these cars appreciate or do they depreciate, right? So I mean, why did I buy this car? Why did I choose this car? Honestly, we about to get into that, dive deep into it. But right now we about to go pick up Logan real quick. You know what I'm saying? Check out this view, y'all. This, and we're gonna go over the quirks and features of this vehicle right now. So let's start with the exterior. I just polished them a little bit. Yups. You just pop this open and then, you know, you fill it up and it shows what octane we're taking right there. 93. But over here we got 92. Bruh. Yep. Bought it like that. Yep. And so this right here is a little bit wonky when I bought it. So check this out. This isn't supposed to happen. Bruh. So when you close the door, the handle pops out. This gear selector right here doesn't work for downshifts, but it works for upshifting. But the rest of these buttons work. So we have our cup holders here. It's nice. It works. We got our radio, and I do have the aux working. Ashtray here. Yep, and we got more poverty buttons, you know what I'm saying? And so, yeah, let's go ahead into the trunk. And so this is the trunk space here, and it does tell you Porsche does recommend Mobil 1 oil, which we do have right here. And so, another nice thing about this too is, when you fill up your oil, it already comes with a funnel. It comes with its own built-in funnel. So for example, check that out, own funnel, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Gotta make sure it's tight. Yep, like that. CD disc changer. Yeah, it's a brake fluid right here. One radiator there. A way that you can do when you close the trunk actually is to go from the sides and just.
Oh yeah. Sin City was a maybe.
You heard that?
Oh yeah.
And the fans go on automatically just to cool down the engine. I mean, other than that, it's chilling, dude.
Any seams in here?
No, they're all good. Like, there's, yeah.
I heard about what about